good-looking baby needs...
Ah, it's a beautiful morning. Yeah. Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Sunday. 30th. No? Yes, it is. 30th of June. Last day of the month. And last day of the first half of the year of 2019. So, the last 6 months. What have you been doing in the last 6 months? Well, I can't remember what I've done in the last 6 months. I've done a lot. And so, what I'm going to be doing today, now I'm going to the aerodrome. Yeah, the aerodrome, the Aero Club, Wangaratta Aero Club, because they have their barbecue on the last Sunday of every month. So we go there and mingle with the pilots and the Aero Club members. So it's a bit of a cloudy day, so we've had rain yesterday. We've had about 18 millimetres of rain yesterday, so that was a good drop. So some areas may have had more, some less. According to my rain gauge, it's at 18. So yeah, and anyway. So it is very cloudy, but showers are clearing really, so we're not going to get much more. I think we're going to get some nice days during the week coming, so that sounds good to me. So anyway, I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, very quiet day today here at the aerodrome without flying. Not many of us. A lot of people never turned up, sort of thing. There was a jet plane doing touch and goes, flying in and out. So nothing much doing. Very quiet. I think the weather might have scared people away. So anyway, it's very cloudy. It's not bad. The sun comes. It's nice. The sun comes out. It's nice. So yeah. Anyway, that was our flying barbecue. Well, we didn't have a barbecue. We had soup for lunch. Oh, wasn't that? I love my soup. So I think I'll just go home and work on my music now. Not much doing. Yeah. It's a rainy day. It's an ugly day. Hey, Trev. Welcome. Today is Saturday, 29th of June. And we've got a rainy day. It wasn't bad this morning. All morning it's been quite humid. Actually, we didn't get any frost this morning at all either. So, well, it's forecast for rain. So it's afternoon now, and so we finally got this rain. It was forecasted for this weekend. So. Now, today is a special day because it's my mum's birthday. My mother, her birthday is today, and she'd be 83 years of age if she was still alive. So, of course, Mum passed away in 2009, 29th of December. So that's funny, you know, because Mum was born on the 29th of June and she died on the 29th of December. It's weird. So, yeah, it's the 29th. It's a scary number. It's a scary date. But today, Mum would be 83. Happy birthday, Mum. Now, yes, my mother. My mother, her name was Nancy. That's her name, Nancy. Nancy Josephine. Yes. And my mum was born in 1936, on this day, 1936. And she was born in Albury, New South Wales. That's where she was born. And she was born, and then she was raised at various places like Tangambalanga, that's the name of a town, small town in the Kiewa Valley, then Talangata, then Glenrowan, she lived in Glenrowan, and that was the time before she got married, I think, around about. Then she married my dad in Wangaratta. So, and so of course my mum's birthday, and God bless her. I haven't got a cake for her or anything like that. Like I did last year, I made myself, or last few couple of years, I've been buying some birthday cakes to commemorate Mum. So look, it's not going to bring her back, but only the memories, I guess, of Mum. So I want to do this song for you that I wrote back in 1994, yeah, and I recorded it on a cassette album called Dear Mum. It was all about mothers. So I'm willing to bring them onto a flash drive eventually, and so it's a beautiful song. I want to do this one for you, revive this one, and it's called Roses for Mum. Please enjoy. I strolled into a florist shop and thought about Mum. Thought I'd buy some flowers from her darling son. And it's the thought you counts, you know, 'cause Mum, she raised me true. She battled with the family life and made it through and through. Florist lady, then she said, may I help you there? I said, I need some roses for someone I really care. Then she said, who is it for? I felt so awfully dumb. I scratched my head and sadly said, roses for Mum. That sweet day I presented her a bunch of roses sweet. She said it was the sweetest gift she'd ever find to meet. She placed her arms around me. They said, I love you, son. What will I do without her, my only dearest Mum? Well, the florist lady, then she said, may I help you there? I said, I need some roses for someone I really care. Then she said, who is it for? I felt so awfully dumb. I scratched my head and sadly said, roses for Mum. Yeah, the florist lady, then she said, may I help you there? I said, I need some roses for someone I really care. Then she said, who is it for? I felt so awfully dumb. I scratched my head, sadly said, rose for Mum. I scratched my head, sadly said, rose for Mum. Happy birthday, Mum, in heaven. Now, I'm just about to start on a couple of new songs, actually, and now I've finished, recorded the last two songs. I let the children sing, and when the little girl sang, so they're all done, recorded. So I'm working on another new project. So I've got two new songs I've actually been writing, and these two songs I've written some time back. And this one is called Something New, Something Old. So I'm working on that one, and another one which is called As Fresh as the Morning. That's another song, As Fresh as the Morning. So anyway, I'd like to do this one for you, which I've just finished writing. I think I can't remember what year I started. Just going back on my notes. Something... when did I write it? Something new, something old. I've got the original script that I actually started writing. Now I don't know where it is. I don't know where I've got to. It's like that. It's probably in there. Anyway, it says somewhere, I can't remember what year back. But anyway, let's do it for you. A bit of a sample. Something new, something old. Something new, something old, both together you've got gold. Something new, something old, you and I both have a goal. Hey, I wrote this song just yesterday, it's a song about love. She's the sweetest in the world, she's my darling, she's my love. new, something old. That's like that. So I hope you enjoyed that one. So I've got to work on the backing tracks for it now, and the other one is As Fresh as the Morning. I might do that one during the week. So yeah. Now I found the song when I started writing something new, something old. I started writing that in 2012. Yeah, 29th of May 2012. So it's a good. That's always a good thing to make sure you got your original script, and you date it, and you sign it. You put your own signature on it. So that's copyright. That's yours. And you can do other things. You can, with these sort of things, you can actually get it stamped by the law of courts. They call it the law of courts. You can get them to stamp it. Is that your copy? And the other song, As Fresh as the Morning. Now I started writing this one in 1993. So that's going a long time back. Yeah, that was the time I started travelling. I started touring, and but this one was written on 21st of August 1993, and that's well before I started touring, doing concerts for the elderly people, because I started doing that in November, 1st of November 1993. So As Fresh as the Morning. So I mean, I've got lots of songs on there out there written well before that time. Even so, it's good to get back to them and just revise them and record them. So there you go. And now she something new, something old was written in 2012. Then I just finished writing it on the 29th, which was yesterday. And same with As Fresh as the Morning. I wrote that in 1993. Then I finished that song same day, yesterday, 2019. Okay, now I'm going to finish this vlog, and before I do, now tomorrow we'll be uploading, which will be Monday, and of course on Tuesday I'll be putting up June 2019 in review. Just some of the best moments during the month of June. And of course on Thursday, Smoothie Trev will be coming along to make your smoothie. Yeah, that's this Thursday. And of course next Saturday, which will be next weekend, next Saturday I think we're going to be doing the film, the short film, getting on with that. That's The Walk. That's the one we were supposed to do, which actually failed a few weeks ago at Telford. So we're going to do that, hopefully, this next Saturday, and we'll be doing that. So on Sunday I really don't know what we're doing. So anyway, and of course, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you enjoyed the songs as well. So there'll be many more to come here. So anyway, it's goodbye to June 2019. Thank you.
Good-looking girl has a beautiful heart.
Goodbye,
I could see love in
2019,
her eyes.
June.
She's got a future up
Great
ahead.
harmony.
She's the
Peace.
nicest
Bye.
girl I've
You never
ever
know what I get up to
met.
next.